So today we're going to be discussing signing up for Note Unlimited for the very first time. One thing I want to point out is Note Unlimited is a web-based software, so you will be able to access your data from any device, anywhere. Super convenient. Nothing to download onto a computer. So I'm going to start by clicking Join for free, and then we'll go in and enter my name, a phone number, email, and then I'll come up with a super clever password. Let's see if I can remember it again. And then a promo code. So today I'm going to be entering the promo code NoteSchool 50. Click apply. You get the green tag, so that lets you know that it confirmed it. Agree with terms and conditions. By all means, please go read the terms and conditions to make sure that you understand them. And then I'm going to click sign up. So now it sends me an email verification link. So I will go to this other screen and click on the email and get the link up. So once you click on the email link, it will take you to the following screen. And now you can put in your login credentials once again. All right, now that takes you to the main screen for Note Unlimited. So then you can start actually exploring all the aspects of Note Unlimited. What we will do though is we're going to talk about what the subscription and pricing looks like really quick. So we'll start with the personal. So the personal, you will see that you have the standard version, which gives you up to 10 notes, and you can add more notes with these one-time charge add-on bundles, which is very convenient. And you're only paying $17 a month or $200 a year. And for all of the benefits of Note Unlimited, it's really a good bargain. So you have all of these aspects that you can do with your notes and really just play around with the software and see what you find that works for you. And we'll also look at the business side. So at the business side, you can see if you're really starting to pick up business or if you're somebody who already has several notes that you're looking to manage, then one of these business accounts will probably be more suitable for you. And that's it. You now have your trial for Note Unlimited. And if you really like it and it proves to be beneficial, you can sign up for a subscription. So we hope you like the software. We look forward to working with you in the future. Thank you.